We were splattering. Hi there and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious fresh tomatoes Nigerian chicken stew. First off, you season your chicken to your taste without adding water and allow it to simmer and cook well. Once the water in it has all come out, you can now add in a little water.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
While the chicken is cooking, these are the tomatoes we'll be using. We'll go on and blend it. Fresh tomatoes, lots of it, little of bell pepper, chili pepper, habanero, garlic and ginger, and 1 bulb of onion. The chicken is done now. I'll gently take it out and begin to fry it. So now I'll proceed to sieving the oil into the pot I'll be using to make this stew. This oil is still very much hot, so I don't have to wait for it. Now I'll add in the onions and go in immediately with the tomatoes so the onions doesn't get burnt. Give that a good mix and allow that to dry up while you watch. If you start stirring early enough, the splattering will start early, okay? And we don't want that. So now it is the right time to stir. I'll go on to stir it and then continue to stir. So it's time to add in our seasonings. The seasonings I'm adding now are oregano, salt, seasoning cube, and nutmeg. We'll add in that and go on to stir it. Then we'll stir and allow to cook for a little while. At this point, you know that your tomatoes are really dried when the oil comes up just as seen, okay? The oils are now floating up while the tomatoes are below. This is a sign that the tomatoes has dried. I'll add in the chicken stock, stir and allow to simmer a little while. And then we'll add in the chicken, stir and turn off the heat. Our chicken stew is ready, okay? Delicious chicken stew that everyone will be asking you, how did you cook it? This is it, no other method. You see how thick it is? I didn't add in too much water in the chicken, and yeah, this is so good. Do well to give it a try, okay? Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll be grateful to you. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment for me. Even if it's asking me, what did you eat this with? I want to read you in the comment section. Just leave a comment, okay? Or you can leave a heart emoji. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next video.